This is the 241st Taiku. In the Babylonian Talmud, it's in Menachot 46b. Ever since the Taiku takeoff, which was on 39, which was Taiku number 239, that is when the Taikus surpassed the Daf Yomi. So up until Friday, all the Taikus had been behind the Daf Yomi, and now Thursday and Wednesday, all the Taikus before that, they were still Menachot, but they were like following right behind, or there's one point where it was like right even with the Taikus that were in Menachot, let's say 31 or something, or in the 20s somewhere. But now it jumped, and now we're ahead. We've not yet got here in Daf Yomi, but it's still, I've seen Menachot. It's like it's the same tractate. But Menachot 46b, according to Rabbi Pessin's book Taiku, is the 241st Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud. 46b Menachot with the words Avdu Kavasim. It could be going from a previous discussion, but I started from here because sometimes it just keeps going. So if you want to see more of it, you can look in Tractate Menachot, page 46b. But this is starting from where it says Avdu Kavasim Loti Bailach Devadai Bai Tenufa Kiti Bailach Avad Halechem. Rabbi Yirmiyah clarifies the dilemma. In a case where the sheep were lost after the waving, do not raise the dilemma as in this case. They certainly require waving, because the primary obligation of waving is mentioned with respect to the sheep, and these sheep have not yet been waved. When should you raise the dilemma? You should raise it in a case where the loaves were lost after the waving. V'aliba de ben nanas lo tibailach te'amar kevasim ikal ki tibailach aliba de Rabbi Akiva de amar lechem ikal mai. And according to the opinion of Rabbi Shimon ben Nanas, who holds that failure to sacrifice the sheep prevents one from sacrificing the loaves, do not raise the dilemma, as he says that the sheep are primary. Consequently, since the sheep have been waved, there is no need to repeat the waving. When should you raise the dilemma? Raise it according to the opinion of Rabbi Akiva, who holds that failure to bring the loaves prevents one from sacrificing the sheep, as he says that the loaves are primary. According to his opinion, what is the halacha concerning the loaves that are brought as replacements? Kivan the lechem ikar by tenufa. O dilma, kivan matir and didei kivasim minu lo tzarech tenufa teiku. On the one hand, one might say that since the loaves are primary, and this set of loaves has not yet been waved, it requires waving. Or, on the other hand, perhaps, one should say that since its permitting factors are the sheep, and they were already waved, the new set of loaves does not require waving. The Gemara concludes that the question shall stand unresolved. Taiku, the 241st Taiku. We must wait until the Messiah, the son of David, comes. Elijah the prophet to herald his coming, and Elijah the prophet, it said that he will answer our questions. But what about the Messiah? Does he answer our questions? L'chayr it should be, no? L'chayr the Rishimach ben David should answer our questions. Maybe he will. Who knows? We'll have to find out.